Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Arfi Agustina Wardana, a student from the Faculty of Economic and Business, Muhammadiyah University of Surakarta. On this occasion, I will present my research entitled The Effect of Convenience Perceived is Obvious and Perceived Usefulness on Intention to Use Evaluate, Empirical Study on Generation Z in Surakarta. Introduction. Into this era, technology is developing rapidly in the first element of human life. Technological development in the economy are in the payment system. The payment tool that is currently developing is an electronic wallet. An electronic wallet is one of the development in financial technology that utilize the internet and is used as a means of payment. A wallet functions as a means of storing money as well as a means of payment in transactions both online and offline. Generation Z is the generation born from 1997 to 2012. In 2021, Generation Z has an rank of 9 until 24 years. Generation Z has an interesting behavior, namely a cashless lifestyle. The cashless lifestyle means that every payment is made non-cash, not cash. The technology acceptance model was developed by Davis in 1986. In this study, intention is described as the extent of someone's willingness to do something or use a technology. There are too many constructs in the model that generate intention to use, namely the perceived is obvious and perceived usefulness. Intention to use, the user will appear when the digital wallet is found to be easy to use and has benefits. Convenience is defined as a condition where an individual feel comfortable when using a technology. Davis 1989. According to Hu 2006, convenience is one of the main factors that make consumers choose mobile payment over the credit card method. Convenience is associated with elements that generate utility of time and area for users. Clark 2001. From the reason above, the goal of this study is to analyze the effect of convenience perceived is obvious and perceived usefulness on intention to use a wallet. Research hypothesis. The first hypothesis, convenience has a positive and significant effect on intention to use a wallet. The second hypothesis, convenience has a positive and significant effect on perceived usefulness of a wallet users. The third hypothesis, perceived usefulness has a positive and significant effect on intention to use a wallet. The fourth hypothesis, the perceived usefulness mediate the effect of convenience on intention to use a wallet. The fifth hypothesis, perceived is obvious, has a positive and significant effect on intention to use a wallet. The sixth hypothesis, perceived is obvious, has a positive and significant effect on perceived usefulness of a wallet users. The seventh hypothesis, perceived usefulness mediate the effect of perceived is obvious on intention to use a wallet. Method. The population in this research is Generation Z, which make use of electronic wallet in Surakarta, totaling 41,082 residents with an age range of 20 until 24 years. The collection of sample use pervasive sampling method whose criteria are Generation Z in Surakarta, where the payment method used for transaction is a wallet. Data collection become executed by way is dispensing online questionnaire to 225 respondents. Measurement of variable using Likert scale. There are 5 levels of point in this research questionnaire, namely strongly agree responses are given 5 points, agree responses are given 4 points, neutral responses are given 3 points, disagree responses are given 2 points, and strongly disagree responses are given 1 point. These are structural question modeling and partial square with the help of SmartPLS 3.0. Analysis. Outer model. From the table above, the FEE grade of each variable is greater than 0.5, so the variable used can be said to be valid. From the table above, the composite reliability grade of each variable is greater than 0.7, so the variable used are reliable. From table above, the value of constant alpha for each variable is greater than 0.7, so it can be said that the variable used are reliable. Multicollinearity test. After testing the validity and reliability, it was continued with the multicollinearity test. From the table above, the fifth grade of the independent variable on the mediating variable and the dependent variable less than 3. It can be stated that there is no multicollinearity. Inner model. The feasibility analysis of the model used could not have it. From the calculation that have been carried out, the chi-square grade is 0.79. This means that this research model can describe the diversity of research data by 79%, with the remaining 21% is described by other elements outside this studies model. Hypothesis test, direct effect. This test use the p-value value. If the p-value is less than 0.05, then the hypothesis can be accepted. From the table above, it is found that convenience has a positive and significant effect on intention to use and perceived usefulness. Perceived is of use has a positive and significant effect on intention to use and perceived usefulness. Perceived usefulness have a positive and significant effect on intention to use. Indirect effect. From the table above, it is found that perceived usefulness mediates the influence of convenience on intention to use. Perceived usefulness mediates the effect of perceived is of use on intention to use. Discussion. Number 1. The effect of convenience on intention to use. Statistical outcomes show that convenience has a positive and significant effect on the intention to use. Number 2. The effect of convenience on perceived usefulness. Statistical results show that convenience has a positive and significant effect on perceived usefulness. Number 3. The effect of perceived usefulness on intention to use. Statistical outcomes show that perceived usefulness have a positive and significant effect on intention to use. Number 4. The effect of convenience on intention to use mediate perceived usefulness. Statistical results show that convenience has a positive and significant effect on intention to use mediated by perceived usefulness. Number 5. The effect of perceived is of use and intention to use. Statistical outcomes show that perceived is of use as a positive and significant effect on intention to use. Number 6. The effect of perceived is of use and perceived usefulness. The statistical outcomes show that perceived is of use has a positive and significant effect on perceived usefulness. Number 7. The effect of perceived is of use and on intention to use mediate perceived usefulness. Statistical results show that perceived is of use has a positive and significant effect on intention to use mediated by perceived usefulness. Conclusion. From the analysis which has been carried out, all hypotheses are supported. The limitation of the problem in this research is the independent variable in this research are convenience and perceived is of use. While the dependent variable in this study is intention to use, the mediating variable in this research is perceived usefulness. The sample in this study were responded using a wallet. Suggestions to further researchers are to add the variables studied not only on convenience, perceived is of use, and perceived usefulness of intention to use. Suggestions for startup companies are to always increase the benefit felt by user through convenience and perceived is of use so as to generate intention to use. That's all for my presentation. If there are mistakes, I apologize profusely. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.